it's Bill, Kingston RC, back with a new little project. I had such a great time with this Willys MB Jeep that Banggood.com sent me, which I really appreciate. I'll leave a link in the description to this Jeep if you're interested. But I had a great time with this Jeep, customizing it, weathering it. You know, it is a little lacking in the electronics department. But with that, that's why I bought another one. And I bought this Jeep. This is the JJRC Absolute Jeep. I think it's a Q65. But I got some cool plans for this. Nothing overboard, but I am going to strip it down, get it ready for paint. I've got some different electronics for it. Just try to, you know, make it a little bit better on the trail, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm going to crack this open. Before I do that, I want to give a shout out to my friend Eric at We Really Don't Know What We're Doing RC. I got your sticker, man. I really appreciate that. A week or so ago, he had a drawing, and I won some custom sand ladders that they made. Really cool. I really appreciate that. If you get a chance, check his channel out. It's We Really Don't Know What We're Doing RC. A lot of cool stuff on his channel, so give him a shout. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. But I really appreciate that, Eric, and when I'm done, I'll put you up on the sticker wall. But yeah, today we're going to crack this thing open and just kind of take a look at it and get it stripped down, and we'll go from there. Pretty much torn apart. It was a little bit of a pain, but hopefully we'll be able to get it back together, right? Most of the other things are all snap fitted in there, so I'm gonna have to fiddle with all the little clips in there to get everything off. But I'm gonna get it torn apart. I've got another motor and tranny coming for this. I got different electronics, different servo. We're gonna try to get all this stuff put in, and you know, we'll go from there. But stay tuned. I'm going to prep this for paint, and that'll probably be on the next one. So just stay tuned, and we'll see how it goes. Appreciate you watching. Bye.